Pizza Studio Tamaki opens in Singapore. Tokyo's best Neapolitan pizza arrives in Tanjong Pagar, Singapore. Get ready, pizza lovers. The renowned Tokyo Neapolitan pizza brand, Pizza Studio Tamaki, is set to open its doors in the heart of Tanjong Pagar on June 10. This exciting venture is a collaboration with JAP Dining Concepts, the same team behind the popular Okinawan-style steakhouse, Yapari Steak, located in Vivo City. With a cozy seating capacity of 60, the new Pizza Studio Tamaki Singapore promises an authentic dining experience, featuring pizzas cooked to perfection in a traditional wood-fired oven crafted by the esteemed Stefano Ferrara Forni from Bologna. Prices for these mouth-watering pies range from $22 to $34, making it a delicious yet accessible treat for everyone. Founded by the talented Japanese pizzaiolo Tsubasa Tamaki, affectionately known as PST by its fans, this restaurant specializes in Tokyo Neapolitan-style pizza. Each pizza boasts a light and chewy crust, characterized by a fluffy rim and a thin center, all made from a unique dough that combines Japanese and American flours and undergoes a meticulous 30-hour fermentation process. Pizza Studio Tamaki already has a strong presence in Japan, with 2 locations in Tokyo, Roppongi and Higashiazabu, and another in Okinawa. Its first international branch opened in Bangkok earlier this year, and it has already attracted a star-studded clientele, including Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, who dined at the Roppongi location in 2022. Before establishing Pizza Studio Tamaki in 2017, Chef Tamaki honed his skills at 2 of Tokyo's most famous pizzerias, Savoy and Strata. He also trained under the legendary pizzaiolo Susumu Kakinuma at Seirinkan, one of the pioneers of Neapolitan-style pizza in Tokyo. At PST, you can choose from a delightful array of pizzas, each with either a tomato or cheese base. For those who love a tangy kick, the red sauce options include the Tamaki, topped with cherry tomatoes and smoked mozzarella, the classic margarita with buffalo mozzarella, the Romana, featuring olives, anchovies, and almori garlic, and the spicy diavola, loaded with house-made pork sausage, olives, and fresh basil. If cheese is your passion, don't miss the nduja, topped with spicy Calabrian sausage, the indulgent 5 for Maggie, featuring 5 different cheeses including gorgonzola, and the altrena, a creamy delight with mozzarella, mascarpone, pecorino romano, and cherry tomatoes. Leading the Singapore restaurant will be Chef Ryosuke Tanahara, who has spent 3 years working alongside Chef Tamaki, ensuring that the authentic flavors of Tokyo are perfectly replicated in this new location. Mark your calendars. PST Singapore opens on June 10th at 38 Tanjong Pagar Road, welcoming guests from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays, and from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. to midnight on weekends. For more updates, follow them on Instagram at pst.singapore. Don't miss out on this culinary adventure.